Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sarah and Leo English. I am Sarah, and today, the studio is very quiet. Leo is sitting across from me, but he is not saying anything. He has his head on the table. Leo? Are you okay?
I am done, Sarah. I am finished. I quit.
You quit? Quit what? Being Leo?
I quit English. I quit learning. I have been studying for months, but I still make mistakes. Yesterday, I said, I am boring instead of I am bored.
And
everyone laughed. I felt so small. Like an ant. No, smaller. Like an atom. Oh, Leo. Listen to me. Everyone makes mistakes. That is how we learn. You are just hitting a wall. Hitting a wall. Yes. And my head hurts. I have no talent, Sarah. I am a lost cause.
stop right there. Today, we are not learning grammar. We are learning something more important, how to find motivation and talk about your strengths. Pick your head up, Leo. First, we need to name your feelings. You are not just sad. Listeners, do you feel like Leo? Do you want to quit? Look at the subscribe button. Click it to say, I will not quit. I am stronger than my mistakes. Are you ready? Let's learn better words. Repeat after me, burned out.
Burned out.
This means you are exhausted because you worked too hard for too long. Like a candle with no fire left.
Yes. I am a candle. A dark, cold candle.
Next phrase, I am stuck.
I am stuck.
Or an idiom, I am in a rut.
I am in a rut.
A rut is a deep hole in the ground made by wheels. It means you are doing the same thing but making no progress.
Exactly. Every day, wake up, study, forget, sleep. I am in a giant rut.
And a feeling of not believing in yourself, self-doubt.
Self-doubt.
Full sentence, I am doubting myself.
I am doubting myself. I doubt everything. Even my haircut.
Okay, we named the monster. Now let's fight it. When a friend is down, saying don't be sad is boring. Use these power phrases. Number 1. Hang.
Hang.
In there.
In there.
Full sentence, hang in there.
Hang in there.
Imagine a cat holding onto a tree branch. It doesn't let go. You are the cat, Leo.
Meow. Okay. Hang in there.
Number 2. Keep your
Keep your
chin up.
chin up.
Full sentence, keep your chin up.
Keep your chin up.
When you are sad, you look down. This phrase means, be proud, stay positive.
My chin is up. I am looking at the ceiling. It is a nice ceiling.
Number 3. Don't throw.
Don't throw.
In the towel.
In the towel.
Full sentence, don't throw in the towel.
Don't throw in the towel.
In boxing, when a fighter quits, they throw a towel into the ring. I am telling you, do not quit.
Don't throw in the towel. Okay. I will keep my towel.
Number 4. If you are afraid to try. Give it.
Give it.
A shot.
A shot.
Full sentence, give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
This means, try it. Take a chance. You should give it a shot.
Okay. I will give it a shot. One more time.
Better. But motivation is not enough. You need to know your value. Leo, you said you have no talent. That is a lie.
It feels true. I am not smart like you, Sarah.
Being smart is just one strength. There are many others. Let's look at you. I will tell you your strengths.
Really? Do I have strengths? Is eating pizza fast a strength?
Well, yes. But let's talk about character strengths. Listeners, look for these in yourselves too. Leo, you make mistakes, but you always come back. That is called being resilient. Re. Silly.
Silly.
Ent. Full sentence, resilient.
Resilient.
It sounds like a superhero name.
It means you can recover quickly from difficulties. Or, persistent.
Full sentence, persistent.
Persistent.
This means you never give up, even when it is hard.
I am persistent. I am annoying, but persistent.
Also, you made spaghetti carbonara with yogurt. That was terrible, but creative. Full sentence, creative.
Creative. Yes. I think outside the box.
Thinking.
Thinking.
Outside the box.
Outside the box.
Full sentence, thinking outside the box.
Thinking outside the box.
That is a great idiom. It means you have new, unusual ideas. And finally, you are empathetic. M. Pa. Thetic. Full sentence, empathetic.
Empathetic. Does that mean I am pathetic?
No. Pathetic is bad. Empathetic is wonderful. It means you understand other people's feelings. You have a big heart.
Oh. Empathetic. Thank you, Sarah. I didn't know that was a skill.
It is the most important skill. Soft skills are superpowers. There is one small word that can change your life, Leo. It is the word, yet.
Yet? Yet?
Yes. Instead of saying, I don't understand English, say I don't understand English. Yet.
I don't understand, yet.
Instead of I cannot speak fluently, say I cannot speak fluently. Yet.
I see. It means it will happen in the future. It is not the end.
Exactly. This is called a growth mindset. Your brain can grow. You are not a fixed stone, you are a growing tree.
I am a tree. A resilient, persistent tree. I like this.
Okay, Leo. You seem better. Now, I want to test you. We will role play. But this time I will be the sad one. You have to motivate me.
Oh, interesting. Using my powers for good. Okay. Action.
Oh, Leo. I feel terrible today. I recorded a video, but the audio was broken. I lost all my work.
Oh no. That sounds stressful. Are you feeling burned out?
Yes, totally burned out. I wasted 3 hours. I think I am a bad teacher. Maybe I should stop making videos.
Sarah. Don't say that. Look at me. Don't, throw the towel.
Throw I in the towel.
Right. Don't throw I in the towel. Everybody makes mistakes. Even you.
But it is so frustrating. I feel stuck.
Hang in there, Sarah. You are, let me check my list. You are resilient. And you are creative.
You really think so?
I know so. Think about the power of yet. You haven't fixed the audio. Yet. But you will. Give it a shot again tomorrow.
Wow, Leo. That was actually very sweet. I feel better.
See. I am a motivational speaker now. Leo Robbins. Tickets are $500.
You are getting expensive. But you did well. One last idiom for our listeners. When something bad happens, but good comes from it. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
A dark cloud is bad weather. But the sun behind it makes a silver edge. It means there is hope in every problem.
So, my mistake with boring and bored. What is the silver lining?
The silver lining is that you will never forget that rule again. And you made people laugh. Laughter is good.
That is true. I am memorable. I am a legend.
That's the spirit. Listeners, life is full of ups and downs. If you are feeling down today, remember this lesson. Identify your feelings. Are you burned out? Are you doubting yourself? That is okay. It is normal. But don't stay there. Remember your strengths. Are you kind? Are you hardworking? Are you a good friend?
Yes. And use my secret weapon, yet. I am not fluent. Yet. But I will be.
Wise words, Leo. Wait. You have motivation now, but motivation is like a muscle. If you stop, it gets weak. The best way to keep your motivation high is to have a clear goal. Do you know how to set goals in English? Most people do it wrong. I explain the secret method in this video right here. Click it to find your true path.
See you at the top.